Welcome back to the Ward Wellness Report. I'm now joined by Anurag Pande. He is with us to talk more about cranberry beyond UTI. Anurag, thank you so much for joining us. What is a LactoSpore and what is unique about a LactoSpore?
LactoSpore is a trademark of Bacillus coagulans, manufactured and marketed by Sabinsa Corporation. It has been in the market for over 20 years, and in these 20 years we have it has created a place of its own as a probiotic of choice in dietary supplement industry as well as in the natural product market. Bacillus coagulans is a spore forming bacteria. When we say spore forming bacteria, they are basically a little different from your regular bacteria from dairy, which do not actually form the spore. So obviously they require a little more care. For example, you require to keep them in the cold chain, have a refrigeration, and so on. Bacillus coagulans, being a spore-forming lactic acid-producing bacteria, is able to stay on the shelf for 2 years without any refrigeration. So you think like this: you carry your probiotic without any refrigeration, and that's a remarkable point here. Now there are different kinds of Bacillus coagulans available. The strain which has been manufactured by Sabinsa Corporation is designated as MTCC 5856. Now there's something very unique about this strain, which puts it apart from rest of the strains. This strain has got a very good safety profile. It not only has a good pH resistance, it also survives at very low temperature as well as very high temperature. So overall, if you see the complete profile, you'll find that it not only enhances the Bacillus function, but also gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing your formulations.
So does that then touch on the safety and efficacy of LactoSpore?
Right. In these 20 years, Sabinsa has created a voluminous data on LactoSpore safety, especially in the Bacillus coagulans MTCC 5856. We created safety data to ensure that in future you get easy regulatory approvals, you increase the confidence of your consumer. To prove the safety, we have gone through various kind of in vitro, in vivo, and as well as human safety trial. In fact, I'd like to pleased to inform you that very recently Sabinsa completed a human clinical trial in Canada to prove the safety of our strain, and based on that particular study, NHPD, or the Natural Health Product Directorate in Canada, affirmed our LactoSpore strain to be safe to be used in natural products.
Oh, that's wonderful. Anurag Pande, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you.